Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Jason Voorhees, kind of a cute version of him. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? Stick around to the end, because that's the way you're gonna really get the knowledge, so let's get started, okay? I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve for the top half of the circle. And we're gonna draw the rest of that circle, right, for the mask. I'm gonna go over here, circle for one part, one opening of the mask, circle over here for the other. Inside I'm gonna put a smaller circle on both of these, kind of like some highlights. And I'm going to fill that in. Obviously, this is like a hole in a mask, so. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 dots across the head. Dot over here, 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 dot over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the front. Right on. Now we're gonna draw the straps on Jason's head, right? So the straps for the side of the hockey mask, right there. Square, square, square. Gonna go over here, a line over here, a line over here for the coat. Line down, line down. Line over here out for the arm. Line over here out for the arm. Over here, over here. Line across. Down, down over here for his legs, the side of his legs. Gonna go over here, curve, go over here, curve for the hand. And on one side right here, we're gonna look at him, right? We're kind of like, okay. On one side, we're gonna draw the machete that he has, right? So it's kind of curved line like that, relatively simple. Back over here, down, he's got the square over here for the thing that he's holding. Line over here, down. Curve across. Line over here, line over here. Alright, so we're looking at this and we're kind of like, alright, cool, now we're gonna draw whatever, some stuff on the blade there. We're gonna go in here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna quite, I guess we're gonna color it, why not? So I'm gonna use the red to draw on the line right here. It's a triangle. Line right there. Line across over here. Line across over there. Like so. Over here on this side, out, down, curve, fill it out. Out right there, out right there, fill it out. We're gonna go to the sides over here, so I'm gonna grab a brown and fill that there, fill that there, fill that there. Cool, cool. I'm gonna grab more of a, you could grab a brown, but you could also grab like an orange, which is kind of what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna grab an orange, well, or like a dark, I'm using Prismacolor markers, by the way, and Copic markers, in case you're curious. You can get those on Amazon, or you can go to the main website and I show you more about them. If you go to the main website, sketchingeasy.com, I talk all about them, or I suggest the types, basically. So I'm going to grab some for his coat. I might just grab a brown, honestly. I think a brown coat would be fine, the same brown that I was using there. And I'm going in here rather flat, nothing too amazing. Line over here. And then over here, I'm gonna go over here to this area. I'm gonna grab a kind of a dark blue over here for the pants, because he is kind of wearing jeans, right? Kind of sometimes jeans, sometimes like these loafers or whatever, or like these loafers, like this overalls or something like that. So I'm gonna put that blue there, and I'm gonna put the blue down the middle as well, just kind of keep it consistent, you know. Line over here, blade, and then I'm gonna go brown over here with the shoes as well, because the shoes being brown is a good idea. If you like this color stuff, let me know. Definitely, you know, reach out, say hi, say what's up. There you go. And then I would say lastly, I'm gonna put a thicker line around this entire figure, pretty much. The reason I'm doing that is because I think that it's gonna make it look a lot more like a sticker. It's gonna make it look a lot better. Don't forget to check out the sticker section over there on the sticker section on the main website. There's Halloween stickers. There's all kinds of stickers over there. So take a look. Line over here. Line over here. If you want to learn the basics of drawing, go to sketchingeasy.com and click on the dragon. There's a free lesson on there, and it's I think it's perfect for anyone who's trying to learn to draw anything, right? So absolutely go click that, check it out, and really kind of like just tour the site, because there's so much there that I put there for you guys. There's a lot of things to download. There's a lot of just fun, cool stuff to go check out. So please go take a look at it right after this video. But yeah, thanks so much. That's kind of it. I want to reach out to you and say hello, and also what I want you to do is to recommend anything you want me to draw. So if you recommend anything from anything, I will totally draw it here, okay? I've done it for a lot of people, and most of the stuff I do here is for requests, so please, thank you so much. I guess that's kind of it. On the final thing, I'll say Halloween is coming. Make some Halloween suggestions for this channel, and I'll absolutely do my best to kind of get that to you guys. So all right, thank you so much. Talk to you very, very soon, and I'll see you later, okay? Peace out. See ya. Or stay art ready, okay? See you later.